Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can remove all our friends we have added to our Flipside profile. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all we can go to our Flipside profile. We can click on this profile button and tap on this key icon to open our Flipside profile. Okay, and this is my Instagram Flipside profile, and if we want to remove all friends on our Instagram Flipside profile, we can tap on this option. Okay, and here we can click on clear all. Okay, and after that we can click on done and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now all the friends I have added to my Flipside profile have been removed. As you can see, only me can see my Flipside profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove all friends we have added to our Flipside profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.